There is a word, craftsmanship. There is a spirit, craftsmanship spirit. That's the heart of craftsmanship. Hutlon, founded in 1996, centering on the two core systems, craftsmanship and intelligence, provides solutions to the market with intelligent hardware. Over the past 2 decades, Hutlon paid more effort, more perseverance, more requirements, more perfection, playing a leading role in global intelligent hardware field. Chairman Mr. Chen, from the beginning of the business, we dreamed to do some meaningful contributions to hardware field, to become a century-old brand, gain ideal home for people. Hutlon, considering high-quality intelligent hardware as our mission, our keynote are integrate international model, high-level, high-intelligent. CEO Mr. Su said, devote lifetime to one thing. Bring Hutlon from local to global market. From country to world is Hutlon's mission. Over 20 years' efforts, thousands of great achievements and honor medals show the confidence and strength of Hutlon. Research and development team adheres to original, high intelligent and individualization. Create classic and lead fashion to design every product and details from client's view in the market. Achieve the extreme of the intelligent, individualization and scientific with the soul of the craftsmanship. Firstly launched Cloud Lock with white paper in 2016. Connected with several well-known intelligent home ecosystems successively. Become the professional standards maker from the start. Obtain over 500 patents in invention, utility model and appearance. Cloud Lock Research Institute and Research and Development Center, founded in Foshan Headquarters, Shenzhen, Newsoft Institute, Hangzhou, and etc. Provide smarter, safer, more personalized products for customers. Be strict on every manufacturing technique details. Hutlon present perfect products for customers. Applying international advanced automatic casting machine, automatic polishing machine, and etc. From drawing to mold modeling and production testing. Every procedure is strictly controlled by craftsman spirit from every Hutlon people. With foresight insight, Hutlon established first exclusive shop in the field and owns thousands of stores worldwide, thousands of marketing network. The marketing team is committed to providing a whole life cycle service system, run through pre-sales, on-sale and after-sales for customers. Hutlon will continue technology innovation and ingenuity spirit. Take intelligent technology as strategy in Hutlon new era. Develop cross-boundary cooperation, joining a powerful combination ahead of development of the times. Hutlon, gather the intelligence of life. Hardware leader, ingenuity manufacturer.